Hello everyone, I am an engineer from Kernel, and my name is Wu Shengpeng. Today I would like to share with you a Siemens material handling pneumatic manipulator training kit. It is suitable for teaching and training, allowing everyone to use drives to control motors for positioning, as well as to learn the combined use of pneumatic components. Next, I will introduce the main components of this training kit. It mainly includes a Siemens PLC and an 8-bit output module. The pneumatic components include cylinders, solenoid valves, and throttle valves. This is a complete positioning system, mainly divided into an upper axis and a lower axis. The upper axis is a motor, which is driven by two sliders to rotate 180 degrees forward and 180 degrees in reverse. The lower axis is a motor paired with a turntable for positioning control. Both the upper and lower axes are controlled using stepper drivers. This training box has both manual and automatic modes. Currently, with the power on, press the start button to switch to manual mode. We can see that the operation indicator light and the manual mode indicator light have turned on. The upper axis is already in its initial position. We can easily control the pneumatic gripper located on the upper axis by simply pressing the designated control button. This allows us to precisely pick up the specific parts that we need to handle for the next stage of our assembly process. We can clearly observe that the mechanism has successfully reached the designated position, and simultaneously, the lower axis has also precisely aligned the material to the exact location where we need to place it for the next stage of the operation. This specific gripping action is the primary function of our entire pneumatic system, which ensures reliable operation. To proceed with the next phase of our operation, we carefully press the primary control button located on the main console. This action triggers the automated system to begin lowering our material down to the designated level. It is a critical step that requires precision, ensuring the load is positioned exactly where it needs to be for the subsequent stages of production. All right, we can see that the material has been moved. At this stage, we are going to carefully initiate the process of returning our lower axis back to its original starting position, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and ready for the next phase of operation. The manual mode demonstration is now complete. Next, we will switch to automatic mode. Automatic mode indicator light. The operation process in automatic mode is the same as in manual mode. I will simulate an alarm scenario for you. In automatic mode, there is an obstruction at the material placement position. The limit switch cannot detect the material placement position, so it will trigger an alarm after a certain period of time. As you can observe, the buzzer is currently flashing and emitting a continuous sound. To address this, we need to press the buzzer stop button to clear the alarm. For important safety reasons, it is strictly required that this alarm be cleared only while the power is completely turned off, ensuring that no unexpected operations occur during the process. Finally, the introduction to this training box is complete. Thank you all for watching. If you have any areas of interest, you are welcome to inquire.